Hi, kids. You are going to do a critical angle lab, and it is critical that you understand the critical angles. So make sure you do a wonderful job with this lab. So stuff that you're going to be using, same stuff that we use for the Snell's Law lab. Why are my glasses all messed up? But you're going to find a bin with some stuff in it. This is going to have little trays that you're going to fill up with water. You'll have your light box you can either use the light box, or if you want to use a laser ray box, that works wonderfully. You're going to need one of these pieces of paper. Make sure that we're on the critical angle side, because, you know, we're doing the critical angle. And then you're going to set it up. So let me just go through and show you this. So, all right, so here's our setup. Now remember, the critical angle only occurs if the light is speeding up. So I need to have the light start in the water and then exit to the air. So in this case, I'm going water to air. And you notice if my angle of incidence is 0, then my angle of refraction is 0. And if I wanted to, you know, hey, look, just to make sure you're doing it right, make sure that your angle in the air has to be bigger. Why? Because it's speeding up, up, and away. And then you're going to keep going until you will see inside there. Actually, let me go like at 30 degrees. Okay. And you can see over here. But eventually you're going to reach a point where the light, okay, reflects instead of refracts, and that's going to be your critical angle. You're going to repeat the same thing for a piece of glass. Now, I just want you to be careful with the glass one, because let me just show you. Let's say you are, I want at 20 degrees. So everybody see the 20 degrees? Here's where you got to be careful. You might go, well, wait a second, it's 20 degrees over here. Well, that's because it's not going through the glass. So if you want to figure out the one that's going through the glass, you need to put your hand on top. And then, does everybody, I don't know if hopefully you can see over here, okay, that is not, it's like 32 degrees. So you may want to, if you're using the piece of glass or plexiglass, depending on how thick it is, you may have to put your hand on top so you block the light that doesn't even enter that. Otherwise, that lab should go pretty quick. Make sure you do all the pieces. You are, you know, drawing it out, showing your math. But once you find the critical angle, you don't have to go past that because it's going to reflect after that. Okay, the whole light ray is going to bounce and stay inside. All right, now it's your turn to go. Go. Bye, kids.